cut north into that severe part. But this thing's hot on my heels. I wouldn't be surprised if there was some wind gusts in this part of the storm that are very close to severe, probably 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Just because you're not in the severe warning doesn't mean that the storm isn't going to pack a bit of a punch as it comes through. So just because you're not in the yellow box, you're still going to get some pretty good winds out of this thing. And I'm going to keep going east and try and get back out ahead of this thing before it moves into the Tulsa County. Mike?
So yeah,
Back
we've
to
only
you.
seen a few lightning strikes near your area, near Frey, just north of Drumright, a few cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, and back to the west towards Cushing. Have you seen that visual at all from your perspective?
Lightning has died down quite a bit here, probably over the past 30 minutes or so. But there's also some little storm nuggets going up ahead of that gust front. You can see some little. I wouldn't even call them cells. They're really small, but most of the lightning I'm seeing is out of the new development ahead of the gust front. So
Okay.
behind me in the line, not so much lightning. I can kind of make out a shelf cloud. When the lightning hits, there's still kind of a stacked shelf cloud type of deal behind me, but I'm trying to get out ahead of it, and I'll let you know what I see whenever I get into the Tulsa County area, Mike.
All right, thank you very much, Mike Scanlon. So this line is weakening as it has progressed to the east, and we can see that just over the past hour. Look how stout that line was an hour ago, and now watch it become a little more broken line as it moves into central Osage County, and that extends back to the southwest towards where Mike is at. But you know what? We're going to watch each individual areas, and sometimes one of these can get a little carried away and unfortunately cause a little more issues than what we want to see. And of course, the lightning increasing some, as he mentioned, out ahead of that, or trying to catch up with that gust front. Let's look at velocities real quick, and we see the gust front now heading to the southeast of Oilton, so the stronger winds have pushed out ahead of that at this hour, and that continues to track to the southeast. So looking at rotation detector, really just tracking at least the potential for strong winds. No indications really of any potential for tornadoes in the short term. We do have a tornado watch for all of eastern Oklahoma until 5 a.m. But as this line continues to weaken some, the tornado threat obviously will diminish, and then this line becomes rather broken. We have to look back towards the Oklahoma City area to find more thunderstorm activity out towards Hobart, and where we actually have a tornado warning out towards Anadarko, Oklahoma, southwest of Oklahoma City. This storm, let's put a lapse on this, tracking to the northeast. Look at Viper locking down on that storm, capable of producing a tornado, still showing really good signs of rotation. This is southwest of Binger, Oklahoma. So this is all moving to the northeast. You see that outflow boundary I was telling you about, Mike was talking about, now moving into central Lincoln County, moving closer towards western portions of Creek County. So this is going to move to the northeast. This individual line is becoming broken. Our model data really kind of merges this activity out to the west with this line to the north, and it all becomes one big line and then pushes east as we go through the morning hours. Strong winds and heavy rainfall, a lot of cloud ground lightning strikes will be possible with these storms. An isolated tornado not out of the woods or not out of the question, but we'll be tracking that very closely through the morning hours. Keep it right here. We'll keep you safe.